Welcome, Python enthusiasts! In today's tutorial, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of sets in Python. Sets are powerful data structures that allow us to perform mathematical operations and efficiently manage unique collections of elements. Throughout this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about sets, from their basic syntax to advanced operations and practical use cases. Let's start with the basics. In Python, a set is an unordered collection of unique elements, enclosed in curly braces, and separated by commas. Here's a simple example of a set. Sets can contain elements of any immutable data type, such as integers, floats, strings, and tuples. However, they cannot contain mutable elements, like lists or dictionaries. One of the key features of sets is that they contain only unique elements. If you try to add a duplicate element to a set, it will be ignored. Let's see it in action. As you can see, duplicates are automatically removed, leaving us with a set of unique elements. Sets support various mathematical operations, such as union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference. Let's explore each of these operations with examples. These set operations allow us to combine, compare, and manipulate sets in various ways, making sets a powerful tool for data manipulation. Sets are incredibly useful in various programming scenarios. For example, 1. Removing duplicates. Sets are perfect for removing duplicate elements from a list or other collection. 2. Membership testing. Sets offer fast membership testing, allowing us to quickly check if an element exists in a collection. 3. Finding unique elements. Sets help identify unique elements in a dataset, which can be valuable for data analysis. These are just a few examples of how sets can be applied in real-world programming tasks. That concludes our exploration of sets in Python. Sets are versatile, efficient, and offer powerful capabilities for managing unique collections of elements. By mastering sets, you'll enhance your Python programming skills and be better equipped to tackle a wide range of tasks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Coder Squad. Happy coding!